Hey YouTube, what's up? It is your girl, the Ashley Michelle, and I'm back with a makeup look. Like, y'all, I am so excited because this came out way better. When I say way better, like way better than what I thought it was gonna come out. And y'all know I'm not, like, I do like makeup, but I'm like really not into it as much as I used to be. But I just said, you know, what the heck, let me just get back into it, see if I still got it. And I think your girl still got it. But I'm not gonna ramble too much, but just to let y'all know, I did do a voiceover for this video just because I haven't recorded a makeup video in so long, so just had to see how things is gonna play out. But definitely, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and turn your post notifications on so you can stay up to date on all of the new videos that I have coming out. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And yes, definitely let me know what y'all think down below in the comments, and I will see y'all later. Okay, so I already went ahead and did everything on my right eye, and I'm going to show y'all everything on the left eye. And before I continue, y'all, I am not a professional, so please bear with me with the names of the brushes and everything. But I am going to be taking that dark brown shade from the 23 Perfect Natural Colors palette, and I'm going to sweep that across my eyelid with a light fluffy brush. And I'm just going back and forth in sweeping motions. Once I get everything blended out, I'm going to be using the 23 Matte Colors palette and taking that dark navy blue shade and placing that right underneath my transition color. I'm going to be placing that right underneath that color and just blending it out. And this is the color that I'll be using to create that smoky eye effect. And the last color that I'll be using on my lid is going to be from the 32 Perfect Colors. And I'm going to be blending two colors, actually, that light blue shimmery shade and the matte one. And I'm just going to take those two colors and put them right on top of the dark navy blue shade just to lighten it up a little bit. Once I have everything blended out to my liking, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey to cut my crease. Now y'all, I am not perfect when it comes to cutting the crease, but I have found that if you place a dot on the middle of your eyelid and look up, you can use that dot as a guideline for you to carve out the rest of your crease. So that's what I'm doing right here. And I'm actually only going to cut my crease about halfway. I'm not going to do a full cut crease. Next, I'm going to be using an eyeshadow sponge and taking that bright shimmery teal shade from the 32 Perfect Colors palette and just packing that all onto my eyelid. And to finish up the shadows, I'm going to take that silver glittery shade and place that in the inner corner. Now I'm going to be using Kat Von D's Waterproof Tattoo Liquid Liner, and I'm just going to start from the inner corner of my eye and work my way across to the outer corner. For lashes, I'm going to be wearing the iconic 17s, and I'm going to be applying these off camera. Now for the face, I'm using my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer and my Wet n Wild Matte Primer, and I'm just going to apply both of those all over my face. So you guys, I'm actually in a bit of a struggle right now with foundations, so I'm going to be using my Studio Fix Fluid in the shade NC45 or NC50, I believe. And then I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me 350 shade in Coconut. And I'm going to be blending both of those out onto my face and applying it with my fingers and using a wet makeup sponge to blend it all out. And to get everything looking all nice and smooth, I'm going to be using my Bare Minerals Precision Face Brush and just smoothing and blending out any harsh lines that I made with the sponge and just blending everything down my neck and ears. Now I'm going to be using my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer, and I'm going to be placing that on the back of my hand and applying it with a small concealer brush. Now you guys, I am very new to contouring and highlighting my face, so I'm not really for sure exactly how to place everything on my face yet. But I'm just going to start off with these two triangles, and I'm also going to take a little bit of the concealer on my nose, down the bridge of my nose, at the tip of my nose, and also on my chin. And I'm just going to take another damp sponge and blend out the concealer on my face. To avoid it being cakey, I'm going to be using my Perfection powder in the shade Banana. And I really do want to bake, but I'm so terrified, y'all. Like, y'all just don't understand. But I'm just going to take another clean sponge and just press the powder into my face as much as possible. And then I'm going to be taking a round face brush and just wiping off the excess. Now, I really must have been feeling myself because I grabbed some contour powder, y'all, excuse me. But I'm taking the Duo powder by Nickak, and I'm just going to be using my e.l.f. contour brush and just placing it around the temples of my forehead, carving out my nose as well, and I'm also going to be putting it on my cheeks. And to set my makeup in place, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Dewy Mist Setting Spray and spraying that generously all over my face. And now I'm going to highlight using my Sephora highlighter in Stardust. And I'm going to take a flat foundation brush and just place it on my cheeks. I'm also going to be highlighting my nose, and I'm going to be highlighting my collarbone and shoulder blades. Alright, you all, that is all for this makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed it. Let me know down below if y'all are feeling it, if y'all want to see more makeup looks from me. And I'll definitely make sure that I don't do a voiceover next time, that I actually talk, so that way y'all can see see exactly what I'm thinking. Hear exactly what I'm thinking while I'm doing my makeup. So yeah, definitely give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Most importantly, subscribe and turn the post notifications on, y'all, because y'all don't want to miss any of the new videos. But yes, y'all know what to do. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay popping, and I'll catch y'all in my next video. Bye.